Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to set units in meters in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. Before we jump into the steps, it's important to understand why setting units correctly is so important. Units control how your drawing is interpreted. If your units are wrong, your measurements, scaling, and overall design can become inaccurate, especially when working on engineering or architectural projects. Let's start with the command line at the bottom of your screen. Type UN, then press Enter. This will open the Drawing Units dialog box. This is where you control all unit-related settings for your drawing. Inside the dialog box, look for a section called Insertion Scale. Click on the drop-down menu. From the list, select Meters. This step ensures that your drawing is set to use the metric system, which is commonly used in many projects around the world. After selecting meters, simply click OK. Now your drawing units are set to meters. This means any new objects you create will follow this unit system. Here's something very important. Changing the units does not automatically resize existing objects in your drawing. It only changes how the drawing is interpreted. So if your drawing was originally created using another unit, like millimeters or inches, you may need to adjust the scale. To fix this, type Scale in the command line and press Enter. Then, select the objects you want to scale. Choose a base point. Enter the correct scale factor. This will resize your drawing to match the new unit system accurately. And that's it. You now know how to set your Autocad drawing units to meters. It's a simple but very important step that helps ensure accuracy and consistency in your work. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.